Hello everyone. In this video I will guide you how to connect a Crosley record player to a Bluetooth speaker or Bluetooth headphones. First, make sure your Crosley turntable is plugged in and turned on. Now look for the Bluetooth button on your turntable. Press it to start pairing mode. Most Crosley models show a blinking light when the Bluetooth signal is ready. This means the turntable is waiting for another device to connect. Next, pick the Bluetooth speaker or headphones you want to use. Turn them on and put them into pairing mode. Every speaker is a little different, but most have a Bluetooth button that you press and hold to start pairing. When the speaker begins to search for nearby devices, it should detect the Crosley turntable. You might see the turntable name appear on the speaker display, or you may hear a short tone when the connection becomes active. Once the pairing is successful, place your vinyl record on the turntable. Select the correct speed such as 33 or 45. Gently lift the tone arm and place it on the record. Now your audio should come through your Bluetooth speaker or headphones. Now you are ready to enjoy your vinyl music wirelessly. Thanks for watching.